in my bathroom. Can you hear that? Because the rain is here. And guess what? I live in New Jersey, right? I live in New Jersey. And look. Tornado warning for New Jersey. Tornado warning for New Jersey. I had to raining hard way outside. And this is scary. I think it's hailing, Mom. Gotta be hailing. Because there's never this much rain. Comment down below if you got this much rain. Because look, the bricks are almost flooding. And oh my god, guys. This is Mom. Next, Mom. Oh, and look, guys, that is, wait, next door's thing is literally picking up so much rain. Mom, there's so much rain I can almost feel it. But this is, I've never seen this much rain in my life. I really hope we just survive. This is really... Oh my gosh. Did we just find this tornado? That's how it sounds like when you open the door and there's this. Gotta be hailing. Mom, I see tiny pieces. Guys, I see tiny pieces of stuff. Guys, we got a tornado. It's hailing. Guys, bad news, bad news. It's leaking through the house. It's leaking through the house. Guys, it's leaking through the house. How the heck? Juice! What was that? What was that? Whoa. No, there's gonna be a full cloud. Okay, now we're gonna look over here. Actually, we're gonna look. Okay, now we're looking over here. Guys, you can literally see how much rain got there. There was that much of rain just pouring. Guys, there's some rain pouring in the house. There's rain in the house.
Shut the door. What are you doing?
I'm trying to record a video, Mom.
You don't need to be a pest.
No, I'm trying to record a video of the thunder. Oh, Jesus. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, look at the ground over here. Look over here.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow.
It's hailing, I told you. Literally, little pieces of stuff are falling. Falling, and it's hailing. I told you it's hailing. And you don't listen. And plus, Mom, there's hail. It's hailing. It's literally hailing. There's little pieces of white stuff. Look, do you see them?
Okay.
There's one going over there. It's literally hail.
Rain.
It's hail, too. Okay, we got a funnel cloud somewhere. And that's what it sounds like outside. That's what it sounds like outside, guys. Okay, I got it locked up because there's rain getting in the house. I told you guys. I'm just going to show you. Oh, jeez. What was that? If anybody was in this... Okay. This is scary.
Nothing to be scared of. You're in the house. You, the weatherman's scared.
Plus, that's not Siren Head. That's just camera anywhere. But, it's light flash camera. Guys, we're gonna get tornado warning. Hailing now. Guys. There's one drop on the edge.
But Kelsey can do like a duo, or she can do like a duo. Kelsey, you could just talk if we're getting lost signal and you don't want to talk. That way he won't get upset. The lightning. The thunder and lightning. You know? You just don't want to talk to him? He's not going to ask you about any of that stuff because he doesn't know about it. He doesn't go on social media. Did he see your haircut yet? I posted a picture so I know where I am at how I sweat.
Yeah, Eleanor said you posted a nice picture of Pete.
Yes. Kelsey, Christopher said he don't care if you go upstairs as long as Grandma says it's okay and you don't touch or break anything. Okay, Kels? If you want some freedom away from the demon.
But you know that
The demon raisin and me. The demon raisin and me.
Yeah, that was the problem before. I posted a picture. Where is it? I posted a picture of the. Oh, what did I do? Oh, picture of the picture.
yes. So it was very nice.
Guys. Tornado. Guys, we got a tornado. Whoa! I saw that. I just saw a huge lightning strike.
Well, as soon as I checked into the barber shop,
Did you guys see that?
Eleanor comments.
I hope you guys saw
photos.
it. I hope I
just
called
checked in.
that.
We just got here.
Camera.
Chill a
How does
minute.
she know?
Because she's on Facebook, my friend on Facebook.
Oh.
She knows everything. No, I took this picture.
If you don't want nasty old lady comments, get her
No,
off.
she's funny. Look, I took this picture. Okay. This ain't Melissa. And I took this picture.
That was nice when she did.
Yeah,
Such a back door.
she didn't comment on that one though. She commented on Kelsey's haircut.
I bet you.
Wait, let me see. She's funny. She always says something nice though. She's not, you know. She said so happy. She,
Did you guys just see that? I hope you guys saw that on camera. I saw some.
Thanks for sharing pictures. I'm glad you found a place you like. I hope they continue to live up to your expectations.
Oh, Jesus.
And Stacy said, wow, that's really, really short. But if that's
Whoa.
Stacy's style, write it out all summer. I said,
Did you guys get that on camera? Oh, Jesus. Holy Jesus.
No, she's been going to
To Mississippi's way.
No, she went to Asbury Park the other day. Then she just posted pictures this morning. She got a manicure and a pedicure with Emma. And the lady that's doing Emma's toes is wearing a mask, but her nose is out of the mask.
On Mississippi.
If that was me, I would put the mask over your nose. You're going into one of these shops in Jersey City that, hey, it's ridiculous.
Oh, I saw. You guys got that on camera. I saw it on camera. You caught that on camera too. Whoa.
Grandma said you're in trouble.
I did not. You must stop saying that.
Who's that? That you guys
I
saw.
Grandma said you're in trouble. I busted this.
Guys, there's one. Guys, there's thunder.
Do not say that.
That's right.
Wow, it's dark.
Guys, I caught some on camera.
Okay, but here's the thing, though. You look like you're filming next door's upstairs window.
Mommy. Did you guys see that? What the fudge? Holy fudge.
Well, I don't know if she's working. Like, I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah. But I know Keensburg wanted her back.
I think tornadoes like me. Thunder more for the video.
Awesome, thank you. I'll let you know.
Mom, can I have a chair?
Please spread the word if you have some more. Okay, I'll spread the word.
Mom, can I please have a chair?
No.
Please.
Stay right in the kitchen. Cut the crap.
That was from Sam Wu. He runs the Devil's podcast. And he has a box of Rangers suck confetti. It's the Rangers logo, but instead of saying New York Rangers, it says Rangers and it sucks down the bottom. And he's got a whole box and he said, if you follow our podcast on YouTube, I'll mail you some confetti. He's like, I want some. So I share it with him. Maybe we'll send you some more. Share it. I'll share it over with you.
Oh, Jesus. Did you guys? I hope I caught that on camera. Guys, I see a tornado.
Okay. What are they called? Cargo pants? Cargo pants, yeah. Wrangler cargo pants. Have to be regular though? Yep. Can we do like Dickies? No. Dickies fabric is too thick.
Guys.
He wears
Guys, I think the tornado is forming right in front of the door.
over here. He likes the pockets here. We wear these kind when we go out.
Guys, close the blinds.
We don't need to close the blinds.
Mine's are already closed.
Grandma,
What?
I wanna.
We don't want to see it. We don't
Guys,
want
there's
to see it.
no with the tornado.
There's not a tornado.
Up and away.
Don't you think a siren would be going off?
Mom, we don't have sirens. We got our in the bathroom. Let's go in the car.
Grandma's got this metal pole. She wants you to go stand in the middle of the street with it and hold it up in the air.
I'm not gonna. I know what you're talking about. I'm not gonna do that. No. Dad told me about if I put metal up in the air outside during a thunderstorm, then I could electrocute myself.
Yes.
And I'm not gonna.
You want to zap?
It'll knock you out for a little
Oh
while.
jeez.
Did you get zapped?
No, I did not get zapped.
They'll zap you right into the
No, guys, I'm being serious. I literally just saw a good lightning strike. I saw a good lightning strike.
I thought there was
2 minutes left until this video is.
I got these things. Oh, that's right. Why can't you go on? So give yourself a pedicure.
I don't know how to place my feet without hurting myself. I can't
You
touch
better
my
start
toes without hurting
exercising.
myself.
Well, then you start exercising and bending over and get to doing it.
You realize that walking is the extent of the exercise that I can do that will not make me pee my pants? Literally like sitting on the toilet pee my pants.
Hey, go back to the doctor. So
I don't go to that guy no more. He butchered me, that guy.
So the bins are done. Well, not right now because I don't have the energy.
Here's in slow motion.
Sit down.
Anyway, what? That is scary. Scary, scary, scary. Yep, guys. We got a tornado on the ground. Right there. It's coming right for us. For some reason, I just got a cut on my nose. I got a cut on my nose. If you look, guys, look at me. I got a cut on my nose. So. I'm sorry if you guys are in those areas.
Oh boy, that did not sound good.
Okay, the tablet's fine. It didn't, Mom. The tablet's fine. Didn't crack.
Okay.
It's fine. Did I get anything on my nose? Okay, I didn't get anything on my elbow. And I can't believe I just got a cut on my nose. Go subscribe to Dingbat Smith, Jelly, Robert's Adventures, Sis vs. Bro, Mitchell, Michael Afton. Go subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe to Dan TDM. Go subscribe to Shane. I don't know which, I forgot the, something, SCS Shane, I think it was, SCS Shane. Go subscribe. Grandma, I found a yellow and green lizard on your thing.
Okay, relax. No lizard.
There was a lizard. Come here, let's go look. Mother Nature's not